Okay, guys, I'm back at it. God bless everyone. Hope you had a great day so far. Let's see. Let's say its scripture would be, I think it's, they that come to the Lord must believe that He is and that He has a diligent reward of those who seek Him. So, I'm gonna go for a quick ride to the lake to see my friends. They're so supposed at the I got the, what do you call it, the tail tidy done now. So, and I'm wearing a new jacket today. So this is my first time wearing the Alpine Star jacket. This is actually fits really good. It's perfect for the summer. So maybe I'll put the link in there. Let me get these gloves on. And the kids are across the street. They're looking. They're super excited. Are we getting warmed up now? So yeah. All right. Alright, I'm waiting for it to warm up. This is gonna be a nice little ride. It's hot today too. Usually when it's hot I have my visor up, but because I'm rocking this smoke visor now on the, what do you call it, Scorpion XL helmet, I don't have my sunglasses on, so looks like I'm gonna have to keep the visor down. Let me open the vents. So I opened up the vents. It's nice out. Letting the bike warm up. Baby guys. They're racing me. It takes me a minute to get these boots working, so the kids won. Oh man, it's good to see kids outside playing. I got 2 L's just now. Lost both of those races. So this jacket does feel good. Oh man. Oh, the bikes are really warm already. So like I said, I did buy, oh yeah, this jacket feels good. It feels like I'm not wearing anything, but it's supposed to have this next level armor in it. Of course, we never want to test that out. We're just thankful that we have this opportunity to do this. Not many people do, so you got to be thankful for the things that you have in life. I had a great day at work. God helped me. Oh man, I was trying to get this these orders done. My supervisor gave me this challenging assignment, guys. Hey girls. And yeah, it was challenging because I mean, it's just thousands of orders you have to go back and check on. And the way that I was doing, I was going by and checking each and every order because I want to make sure every invoice got paid. And then he walks over, it was yesterday, he goes, oh, you know, I don't want you to do it that way, you know, but I'm glad that you're doing it that way. You could do another way, the way that I taught you. And I was like, what way did you teach me? And as my custom is, I ride through the neighborhood to get my feet and hands working. I'm still a newbie, guys. Me and the Ninja, we're at 3,500. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, this is gonna be a nice ride. It's 4:50. My clock is wrong. So yeah, And so I just happened, I don't know, God just led me to, just gotta give him credit, because I was able to find a place in Power BI to just copy and paste the entire order, and then it would show me all the invoices. Ooh, Lord have mercy. And that way I was able to check them all at one time, and then go back and see, count how many invoices are actually on the order. So that sped up the process, so I'll be able to complete that, and then I'll be able to take care of these other orders. Nice calm ride. I think I'm gonna take the highway to the lake. So yeah, so that worked out pretty good. And yeah, I have my visor up because it's hot. I'm not gonna lie, Texas does get hot. All right, get your spidey senses together. Why are they? I don't know why everybody was stopped there. That was weird. I gave him the salute, he didn't salute me back. That's fine. It's not windy out right now. Oh, you're sneaking through. I mean, it's just a second. Come on, traffic. Myself an escape route. Check my back. They are stopping. So, oh, okay. I was gonna get a little rest, right? Take your time. Please stop. Tires up a little bit. Beady, 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 beady. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm feeling this Alpine Stars jacket. I got it from Cycle Gear. It was on sale, I think. It's a $1.89. I mean, it feels really good. Hugs your body. Has this, I don't know, gel armor in it. And at the same time, oh my god, the ventilation is really good. I can really feel it going through. Oh, that was a bad downshift. Oh, it's nice out. So yeah, I really like it. I also was able to due to financial blessing, I'm just gonna say it like that. I'm looking forward to, so I ordered the Sedici Strata 3 or Parla helmet that comes with the Senna in it. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Right now I'm wearing, what helmet am I wearing? I'm wearing Scorpion Exocon R320. One of my favorite helmets. I wear it a lot. I like to fit my medium helmets over more than my large, and I ordered some new cheek pads. I went to the store and I asked them, I said, hey, I want to make my helmets to fit tighter. They said, yeah, you could change your cheek pads. So my Scorpion XO TE520 I'm looking forward to seeing what that feels like with medium pads in it now instead of large pads. But I would say that this jacket is a goodbye, and I'm looking forward to seeing that Strata helmet. And this week, I believe, is opportunity to change the oil. That's one thing that I can say about the Ninja that it does do. It has very good balance. Like I can come to a stop and just like hang out there for a few seconds, just well balanced, and nothing happens. So that's pretty good. Oh man, it is a little windy on the highway. This might not have been a good idea. Got some traveling music going. And you guys, when you ride, do you? Oh, there we go. Slow it down. No sense to go and breakneck speed. And I'm thinking about keep my gear in first gear now. I'm looking behind me. Flash my blinkers so they can see me in case they don't. They do. They're slowing down. Excellent. Now I could probably get a rest break, but I'm just gonna stay in first gear. Anyway, yeah. So this week I'm going to do my first oil change myself. Even though they say I can go to 7,000 miles, I'm thinking about putting some new oil in there at this 3,500 mark. My hands, give my hand a little break. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing that. I did the tail tidy with my friends. I'm thinking about some black, what do you call them? Brake and lever there, and a smoke, sort of like mine visor, so smoke instead of dark smoke, so you can still see through it. And that would probably be it as far as the mods on this. I already have the Leo Vinci Carbon Black Edition, super loud. Everybody tells me now. Yeah, so super loud. And it has frame sliders. Oh, and rear cage, that would be nice. And yeah, and that'll be it for this bike. This is my first bike. So, oh gosh, is that a bug inside my thing? That's alright, you're fast, brother. I'll let you go. Everybody likes to race. You got it, bro. Let's get over. Nice and calm. Getting ready to... Oh, look at all that traffic, guys. Cruising along. It's a really nice, beautiful day here in this part of Texas. Looks like traffic's pretty moving. See my cross right there? Look, it's hanging in there. All right, I got a break. It's gonna be a nice chill ride. I'm just gonna chill. Yeah, so this way is the way to the lake. I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, so that would be my first personal oil change that I do myself. And I bought the oil change kit from Amazon. I was actually tracking Kawasaki, but they said you go to the dealer. And then I definitely looked at the oil itself. I'm still learning all this stuff, and it's just pretty. It was the exact same oil that Kawasaki was selling, so I just went with the $50 package from Amazon. A little windy out right now. Little ninja go! Oh, I wish the guys were riding with me right now too. So it's a really nice day to ride. This is actually the way to Oklahoma as well. I'm about to say, just go around me. I'm chilling. I guess they're chilling too. Checking out my mirrors. The airfield right there, the tower over there. Doing the Tom Cruise right now. Yeah. Little Cross is hanging in there. A bad spot though, it might beat up that area. Make sure nobody's coming out. Yeah, I might take it off and put it in a different spot. I might just put it on me. It's beautiful out. Jensen Tunnelon! Every time I see that, it almost thinks like it's a western, like they're crossing over to Batman territory. What time did I say that would be there? Like 5:15? You know what? I'm gonna be there like 5:15 almost. I mean, I could pick up the speed, but nah. We're chilling. Kind of like our license. Get out the middle lane. Block one lane. Looks like everybody's slowing down. Nice downshift. What's going on up here? Oh, well, we got traffic jam. Traffic jam, guys. And I am doing something that I know that I'm wearing all black today. But I'm wearing all black with a really super green bike. My bike is super green. The KRT, you could see it from a mile away. Well, I don't have all black. I have black, gray, white. But now this traffic jam is gonna make us little ninjas like, no, we were doing so good. Raise my visor up a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna be a hot summer. These gloves, my hands, my palms are sweating already. And what do you guys think about riding posture? All right, so my next bike would be either the ZX4 or the ZX10. And you say, why? Wow, that's a big. Well, I like the ZX10. I like the fact that it has these modes, and so you can really tame it down until you're used to it. And I'm not a speeder. I'm not out here racing or impressing anybody, so I'm not gonna do 180. But I definitely like cruise control because I actually like to travel. doing something. So the ZX4, I like it. It's pretty upright, like this Ninja 5. But I also like that it has modes. They say you can easy flash it. So this, are we gonna stop? Ooh. I'm walking right now. I mean, I'm literally walking. Yeah, so I like that. It's an inline four, so everybody's like, oh, that's a big step. Yeah, that's a step. I don't like the ZX6, honestly. I don't, even though you would say, well, that position is pretty much like the ZX10, but from my understanding, and I'm gonna go sit on the ZX10 myself, is that it's actually better than the ZX6 as far as like riding position. This is what I've heard. Now, I don't know, Ray Bolton at, what do you call that? He does these reviews for Plano Kawasaki. Oh, that's bad. That's a long line up there. If this is California, you could lane split. I don't like it though. Yay! There's a truck next to me. You can tell by the shadow. I wonder if you get off the side road. So much for that. It doesn't look like a side road. I haven't turned on my Rideology app in a while. I was kind of hoping to, that was like slowed me down. I didn't want to lose all that camera power already. Oh my goodness, I only brought one battery from my GoPro. So probably should be on the other side. I don't want nobody coming in my lane. Yeah, it's better. I don't want nobody coming in my lane. And over there to our left is Tanger Outlets. Yeah, baby. Go spend some money. Oh, goodness. Getting there, slowly but surely. I don't know what that was. Thank you, Lord. I should have got on the side, just hightailed it. What the world is this car behind me? Tanger Outlets. I picked up a pair of sneakers from there. This actually is good because it teaches you how to control your bike at these slow speeds. I gotta get correct riding position, because when you're doing this, it does hurt you. Like, you kind of start bad habit. I do, not me, not you, me. Leaning forward. Ooh, whatever smelling, burning is smelling, burning good. A lot of food over here, a lot of food. There's Twin Peaks. Never knew they served alcohol there until one night I just happened in there. I was like, oh, this is one of those joints. It's like a Hooters. See that balance there? Oh, nice. I probably should have gotten the left lane. Yeah, I probably should. It seems like it's moving. Yeah, I think I'm making that 5:12:15. Like 5:30 now. There's the racetrack where they do the NASCAR over there. The first time when I moved here, I thought the little racetrack was the racetrack, and then I happened to be like, oh, that big one back there. So much for all that progress we were making. All gone. I was very tempted to just jump in that lane. I don't know what's going on, Robert. See, Texas Motor Speedway. So this is the one you see on TV. It is huge, man. Now I understand why. I'm gonna cheat. I should have went no highway. I don't know why there's so much traffic going in this way. I mean, this is Oklahoma, going to Oklahoma. Maybe I should just get off and go on the sides. It's a bad traffic jam. It picks your bike up too like this. Yeah, we need to get off. Bad day for a stroll, guys. Bad day for a stroll. I would be there by now. There's another guy over there. He's biking. I guess I'm talked out too, because I would have been there by now. It was supposed to be a short video. Yeah. And I bet if you're watching, it's like, why don't you just go around? Because it's Texas and that's illegal. And it's like, yeah, but you can just do it. Yeah, I can just do it. I don't want to. I kind of like my license. I like my license. Oof. It's got to pick up at some point, right? I don't know what's going on. Nunca es suficiente para mí. Natalie, no para ti. I can sing the boom, boom. Tienes de ti tu corazón. Oh, there's a truck right there on the side. Acostumbrarnos. Sing it, girl. Quizás casualidad. Un poco de yo quiero ti. Pum, 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 pum. Y tú verás morando enamorado. Okay. Oh wow, this is worse than I thought it was going to be up here. Incondicional, incondicional, y tú verás. Nunca es suficiente para mí. I was gonna get off and make a right. I got the truck behind me now, so I'm happy. Mi corazón. Estás aquí, qué casualidad, un poco. Yeah, you see how he slid in? Didn't see me? Probably not. Y tú verás. Oops, I said the wrong word. Incondicional, y tú verás. Look at all those cars coming on the highway. moving, right? Ba-da-da, ba-da-da. Oh no, truck moved over. We were doing it. We were doing it. Gotta be in these. When it's like this, you gotta be careful. That's why I'm over here wide, so nobody like kicks me. And give yourself enough stopping space. Like when it's like this, stop way ahead of time, so in case somebody does something crazy behind you, you can just speed up and, like, you know, create a nice cushion. Feels so much better. Yeah. I contre. Oh no. It's nice. Look at the sun. Ooh, that's blinding. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it! We're doing it! We're doing it! They freed Willie, y'all. They freed Willie. We can get up the road now. Okay, I see you, buddy. I'm gonna get on this side of the lane. I don't know what you're about to do. CK! That breeze feels good. I think I want some ice cream. Okay, I'm in his blind spot, so let me get up here. Make myself known. Alright. Yep, he wanted to come over. Good move! Good move, little ninja! Good move! Get out this other truck's blind spot. Oh, little ninja's about to. Oh, look at him go. Look at the little ninja. Woo! Fuego! Okay, we got the lane to ourselves, guys. Woo! Fuego! Oh, oh. I can't barely talk with this thing so tight on my mouth. Woo! Sing it, girl. Rosa. Rosa. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Yay! Whee! You can see. Woo! 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 I can't say it. Seguramente. Woo! Woo! He's moving with that trailer. Not a caregiving and creating all this wind for me. I'm going 78. It's gotten windy down here in Denton. We're like 15 minutes away.